Recovery isn't just one phase of your health journey. It's a continuous, integrated process that supports your body, mind, and performance. Putting it all together means combining movement, nutrition, rest, and mindset into one powerful recovery plan that keeps you strong for life. Start with awareness and assessment. Understand where your body is now, your strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. Recovery begins with listening. Pain, stiffness, or fatigue are messages, not obstacles. Tracking your progress helps you make informed adjustments along the way. Next comes movement. Gentle, consistent activity promotes circulation, mobility, and tissue repair. Whether it's yoga, light strength work, or walking, daily movement helps prevent stiffness and builds resilience. Gradually progress toward more challenging exercises as your body adapts. Strength and mobility form the foundation of your recovery plan. Strength training rebuilds muscles and stabilizes joints, while mobility work keeps you flexible and pain-free. Combine both. Train to move well, not just lift heavy. Add balance and proprioception exercises to improve coordination and stability. This helps prevent re-injury and makes your movements more efficient in everyday life. Nutrition and hydration fuel the healing process. Prioritize protein for repair, antioxidants for inflammation control, and omega-3s for joint health. Stay hydrated to keep tissues supple and recovery steady. Then prioritize sleep and rest. This is when your body rebuilds and regenerates. Aim for consistent, quality rest. It's the cornerstone of long-term progress. Breathwork and mindfulness are the bridges between your body and mind. Deep, controlled breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's repair mode, reducing stress and improving focus. Meditation or mindful breathing can enhance recovery and reduce pain perception. Don't forget mental and emotional recovery. Healing isn't just physical. Building patience, resilience, and confidence is just as vital. Visualization and positive self-talk can help you reconnect with your body and trust your progress. Integrate recovery tools and techniques like foam rolling, massage guns, or cold therapy as supportive aids. But remember, they complement consistency, not replace it. Finally, build a sustainable routine. Recovery shouldn't feel like a chore. Schedule rest days, celebrate small wins, and make self-care part of your lifestyle. Over time, these habits will become second nature. Your full recovery plan is a cycle. Move, fuel, rest, and grow. When you align your daily habits with your body's natural rhythms, recovery becomes effortless. You're not just bouncing back, you're building a foundation for lasting health, strength, and balance.